Hey there, Riders. On today's episode, it's sponsored by the letter A, as in asshole. Nah, just kidding. So, what I'm going to be doing is removing the speedometer. In order to do that, I got to lift this tank up, pull these bolts out, and disconnect the wire that's run underneath the tank. So, we'll get to going on that. And that little running noise that you hear in the background is just my neighbor on his ATV plowing snow out of his yard, or his driveway. Alright. Good times are had by all. Let's take this off. I like having a bag up close. Had it on a V-Star, liked it. Worked out great. I'd already removed the front cover on the bike, as you can see. And I'm thinking about doing an extension on this as well. Fortunately. Damn it, I knew that was going to happen too. I told myself that was going to happen. Alright, there we go. Lifted up the seat. Gonna separate this a little bit. Now we'll see. Lift that up. I really hate these extensions. Extensions are great. But when you got a bunch of wires over here and you gotta get past them, it makes it difficult. I'll pull that bolt out too. Just so that way. Yeah, okay, so that was causing a problem. Alright, okay.
Okay, all right.
Wire that I got right here. Just gotta pinch down and pull out.
Good time.
So this is a 1/4 inch. That's just held into place. So on this particular one, you got the reset button right here. It's held down. It's just a plastic switch. Then you got smaller inserts. Then you have back of here your indicator. And of course everything's got to come off so that way you can push everything through. Now, I plan on keeping this. I like it. Just debating, do I want to scuff it up, paint it black, or just leave it the way it is for right now? Later on down the road, buy a black one. We'll see. So I pulled that off. I ended up using a 3/32 to pull up the bolts, the secure fasteners here. I'm going to remove the rubber. And this is held in place by the switch, which is one of the wires that runs up through here. And looks like 2 tabs that just need to be released. Yep, it's held down. Down. There we go.